here, which is the actual tournament ID. Right? All I need to do is copy it over here, which is the actual tournament ID that the user has selected. Before we do have a tournament row. That's the row that's associated with the here. So if we simply run a match and when I select it, I want to know this is 1 for column 1, this is 2 for column 2, notice it starts out 3 for column 3, so each one is an ID. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then each one, so we're keeping track of it, so it's an ID based on 1, the column, and 2, which of the 2 matches. So this one would be column 4, 1 and 2. There's column 4 only has only 1. And then we have the eventual winner of the entire match here. The entire tournament here is here. Okay, so that's how we derive the match ID. It's based on the column and the 2 numbers, the count numbers. So this column has 8, so this would be, of course, 7 and 8. Okay, so I want to know the selected match row. When I select a match, I want to know what rows